Hello everyone. Welcome to a class of MS Excel for learning data management. So if you're planning to learn MS Excel from the beginning, then you're in the right place because we'll cover in this class from the basic to advanced. This is a beginner level class, so if you have no previous experience, then you can join in this class. Let's take a look what you learned from this class. Introduction to MS Excel, understanding the alignment box, doing calculations in Excel, project on making a result sheet using the if function, number formatting in Excel, making tables in Excel, inserting images in Excel, project on how to do data entry at is using the SUMIF function, highlighting the text cells using the if function with and or, essential 10 functions for working in Excel. After completing this class, you will be able to understand the interface, data entry, basic formulas and functions, formatting and styling, sorting and filtering data, basic data analysis. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you'll have class project. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in class project. So you can do practice while you're learning. You'll have supporting resource in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask. I am always there for you to help you. So let's start learning MS Excel for data management together.